Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. One solar panel at 100 meters of our portfolio became internet famous. A thermal drone captured it operating 40 degrees C hotter than its neighbors. The image went viral with the headline, "This panel is on fire." Millions of views and news outlets picked it up. The panel wasn't failing, its sensor had malfunctioned, but the story was golden. Result, the site got international attention and the contractor was embarrassed. One anomaly in 500,000 panels can tell a story. Most operators assume outliers are sensor noise. One panel running 40 degrees C hotter than average is often dismissed as a bad sensor, but thermal science says outliers usually mean something real. A panel running 40 degrees hotter can indicate micro cracks, cell degradation, or an electrical short. Dismissing it as sensor noise risks waiting until it actually fails. When something is obvious to the public but invisible to SCADA, you have a detection problem. You might think one hot panel isn't a big deal because the portfolio is producing 95%. That 95% mass losses from panels like the viral hot one. Ignoring individual anomalies means missing 5 to 10% annual production losses across thousands of panels. One hot panel might cost $5,000 a year, and 100 such panels equals $500,000 annually. You won't see these losses in SCADA because averages hide them. Here's how to catch viral panels before they go viral. Step 1, deploy thermal drone monthly, not annually. Step 2, identify outliers and flag any panel running more than 5 degrees Celsius hotter than neighbors. Step 3, cross-reference with SCADA to see if the hot panel is also underperforming electrically. Step 4, calculate cost of each outlier and decide if replacement is justified by lost production. Step 5, implement predictive maintenance and replace panels proactively when they cross the failure threshold. Monthly thermal monitoring helps catch individual panel failures before they become viral and costly. Your portfolio likely has viral-ready panels right now that SCADA is hiding with averages. For most 100 milliwatt portfolios, monthly thermal audits reveal $300,000 to $800,000 in missed panel level losses. Schedule a free outlier detection audit that includes monthly thermal drone data, outlier identification, and cost quantification. First 20 operators receive a detailed outlier heat map to prioritize fixes. One solar panel became internet famous because it was obviously broken in a thermal image while SCADA missed it. Outliers hide in averages, and thermal monitoring catches individual panel failures before they escalate. Take action now and book your free outlier detection audit to recover hidden losses. Like, share, and subscribe. Subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot, smart device, smarter decisions.